What is photosynthesis and how does it work? The process by which oxygen is produced is known as photosynthesis. Let us discuss it in this video. If you haven't already a subscriber of our channel, please subscribe by clicking the button below. Thank you so much. When you get hungry, you reach for a snack from your refrigerator or pantry. But what can plants do when they are going hungry? Plants, as you are probably aware, need sunlight, water, and a home-like soil to grow. But where do they get their food? They produce it themselves. Plants are classified as autotrophs because they can use light energy to synthesize or create their own food. Many people believe they are feeding a plant when they place it in soil, water it, or place it outside in the sun, but none of these actions are considered food. Plants, on the other hand, use sunlight, water, and atmospheric gases to produce glucose, a type of sugar that plants require to survive. This process is known as photosynthesis, and it is carried out by all plants, algae, and even some microorganisms. Plants require three elements to perform photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Plants, like you, need gas ingestion to survive. Animals breathe in gases through a process known as respiration. Animals inhale all of the gases in the atmosphere during the respiration process. But oxygen is the only gas that is retained and not immediately exhaled. Plants, on the other hand, absorb and use carbon dioxide gas for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide enters a plant's leaves, flowers, branches, stems, and roots through tiny holes. Plants require water to produce food. A plant's access to water varies depending on its surroundings. Desert plants, such as cactus, have less available water than a pond lily pad. But every photosynthetic organism has some sort of adaptation, or special structure, designed to collect water. The roots of most plants are in charge of water absorption. The final requirement for photosynthesis is critical because it provides the energy needed to produce sugar. How does a plant transform carbon dioxide and water molecules into food molecules? The sun. Light energy causes a chemical reaction that breaks down and reorganizes the molecules of carbon dioxide and water to form sugar, glucose, and oxygen gas. After the sugar is produced, the mitochondria convert it into energy that can be used for growth and repair. The oxygen produced is released through the same tiny holes that the carbon dioxide entered. Even the released oxygen serves another purpose. Other organisms, such as animals, rely on oxygen to survive. The entire photosynthesis process is a transfer of energy from the sun to a plant. Each sugar molecule contains a small amount of sun energy, which the plant can either use or store for later. Consider the pea plant. If that pea plant is forming new pods, it needs a lot of sugar energy to grow bigger. This is similar to how you eat food to grow taller and stronger. However, rather than going to the store to buy groceries, the pea plant will use sunlight to obtain the energy needed to build sugar. When the pea pods are fully grown, the plant may no longer require as much sugar and will store it in its cells. A hungry rabbit comes along and decides to eat some of the plant, which provides the energy that allows the rabbit to hop back to its home. Where did the rabbit's energy come from? Consider the photosynthesis process. The pea pod used sunlight energy to build sugar molecules with the help of carbon dioxide and water. When the rabbit ate the pea pod, it received energy from the sun that was stored in the plant's sugar molecules. Humans, other animals, fungi, and some microorganisms cannot produce food in their bodies like autotrophs do. So they must rely on photosynthesis. Plants build sugars that humans consume to power our daily activities by transferring energy from the sun to plants. Even when we eat chicken or fish, we are transferring energy from the sun into our bodies because one organism consumed a photosynthetic organism at some point. So, the next time you grab a snack to refuel your energy, thank the sun. More importantly, thank God for this wonderful creation and the never-ending food supply that we needs every day. Thank you for watching, my friends. I hope you learned something from this video. Remember to subscribe by clicking the red button below. See you again in my next video.